Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a mental disability certificate. First, it's crucial to understand the specific eligibility criteria set by your local authorities. Next, begin collecting all relevant medical documentation from your doctors and specialists. This evidence is vital for supporting your application. Finally, identify the correct government agency or department responsible for processing these certificates in your region. This initial preparation will streamline your entire application process. Once you've identified the agency, the next step involves completing the official application form. Ensure all sections are filled out accurately and completely. You'll need to attach comprehensive medical reports and diagnostic evaluations from your healthcare professionals. These documents should clearly outline your condition and its impact. Additionally, remember to include proof of identity and residency, like a valid driver's license or utility bill, to verify your information. After gathering all your documents and completing the forms, it's time to submit your application package. Make sure to send it to the designated office, either in person or via certified mail. It's highly recommended to keep copies of every single document you submit for your personal records. This will be invaluable if any questions arise later. Finally, plan to follow up on your application status within a few weeks to ensure it's being processed correctly. Once your application is under review, be prepared for the possibility of interviews or additional medical assessments. These steps help the agency fully understand your situation. If your initial application is denied, it's important to understand the appeal process and your options for reconsideration. Don't give up if you believe you qualify. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a highly recommended book and other helpful deals. We're here to support you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.